Thanks for watching the JB Arts YouTube channel. We are doing some beeswax candles. This is just a quick 5-minute make a mess activity. Alright, here we go. I have some sheets of beeswax. We are selling these at the store, $1 a piece. And we are making a beeswax candle, so if I want to do, a purple and green one, and I want the predominant color to be purple, then I need to make sure that when I fold it over, we can't see it. So we start off with the green at the top, and the green should be taller than the purple. So it actually hides most of the purple, but we're looking at the inside of the candle, not the outside. So I set my piece here. Now we do have to have a heat source of some type. So what we really need is a hair dryer or heat gun, something to just warm up the wax slightly. You can tell when the wax is warm because it sort of goes shiny rather than this sort of matte finish. So I have a heat gun right here. Mine has a high and a low setting. I'm just going to put it on low, and I'm just going to do a little flash heat. It softens it up as well, so we can bend it and fold it and shape it more easily. So again, I don't go too close. I stay about a fist away all the time. There we go. I'll flash heat the other piece. So again, I want my candle to be mostly purple. So I put the green here. It'll have a nice green stripe. I take my wick, and I like to measure my wick so it sticks out at the top and the bottom. You can always tuck the bottom of the wick in. All right, here we go. We set our piece in. Now most people, their first time are going to, make a bit of a mess of this. But that's okay. So here I have the green higher than the purple. Not too high though, or it'll hide the purple completely. Now I'm rolling this up, making sure the bottom stays at a 90-degree angle with the side of my pillar candle, and I gently roll it. Anytime you can add or flash heat a little bit more in. Mine is still pretty warm, so I continue to roll it, and I end up with a nice little candle. Now, overall, that only took a few moments to do. There are a lot of other fun things we can do with it. So here, without my hand being in the way, I warm up the bottom just a little bit and flatten it so it stands better. We can flash heat. Now again, if you go too hot, it'll all melt into one big blob. But here I want it sort of shiny, so I just give it a flash heat everywhere. And now I can put on sort of any kind of decoration I want. So I'm actually going to start with some yellow and black and cut off just sort of the corner of each piece. And I'm going to do the same thing again, but much smaller, and I'm going to do a little bumblebee. So flash heat my two pieces. Being smaller, they don't need a whole lot of heat. There we go. I layer the two pieces, and now I'm just sort of going to roll this up into a ball. And because it's soft, I can take it and shape it. So I'm trying to make sort of like a bumblebee shape. My yellow and my black peeking out. You can see here I've started to get sort of a bumblebee shape. Now for the other, I want a yellow head. I flash heat that. Oh, it almost blew away. And I can smush this up into a head shape. Flash heat just the end. That's hot on my fingers. Not enough to burn me though. And I take my, let's do light blue. So against this green background, it's not a very light blue, but it is actually light blue. And I'm going to cut out two pieces that look like wing shapes. I'm going to flash heat both of these and my bumblebee. Again, hoping they don't blow away. Put on the 2 pieces. Flash heat spot right there. And stick on my little bumblebee. And there we go, folks. We have ourselves our beeswax and bumblebee. Thanks very much for tuning in. Stay tuned for more. Thanks very much.